How to connect and link your Instagram account with your creator page on Patreon. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is go to Patreon. This is the home page. As you can see now, all what you have to do is so simple. Click here on creator account and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is click on edit your page and wait a few seconds. Click on page settings and scroll down until you find Instagram. Click connect from here and it's gonna be connected easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.